Good morning students, how are you all? Today our lecture is for the 3 class, before and subject is English. As you know that we have read the 2 lessons and now it's the time for 3rd lesson. The name of the lesson, 3rd chapter is about the earthworm. Okay, now open your course books. Open your course book page number 32. You can read this lesson under the guideline of your tutor and under the guideline of your parents. The highlighted words is your dictation words. As you see, these are all your underlining are the dictation words. Few of them I'm writing here is like that. Okay, now I'm telling you about this chapter. This chapter is about the earthworm. Do you have any concept about the earthworm? Earthworm is a type of animal which live on the land. It is not a dangerous one. These are, as you see, this is a earthworm. Now you can read this lesson. When you read this lesson, you can get a lot of information about the earthworm, and these are all about the earthworm chapter. Now come on the book page number 34. Reading comprehension. Reading comprehension. Circle the answer that support the statement is like that. The answer of this question is like that. Circle the answer that support for the statement. Earthworm can grow to different length. The answer is some earthworm can be quite long. Next one, the earthworm are useful. The answer is the earthworm help plants to grow. Earthworm dig tunnel. The answer is C. The earthworm, they may be little but they can be moved dirt and dig tunnel in the ground. Now come on the next page, page number 35. Page number 35 is about read the sentences below. Write T for the true and F for the false. And this is the page about that you have to solve this like that. When you read the whole lesson, you can easily answer this question all about this about the earthworms. The earthworms are brown or red in the color, true. The earthworm have arms and legs, false. The earthworm eats with the help of teeth, false. The earthworm have vision and can feel, true. Earthworm live for a few months, false. Earthworm are harmful creatures, like false. And this is the match showing column. Match the sentences that say something. These are all the solved particles like that. Okay, now come on the next page. This page is about the vocabulary page. In this lesson, we learn about the 2 chapters like full and full-less. As I am writing F-U-L, full, and another word is less. When we praise someone, जब आप किसी चीज की तारीफ करते हैं या जो चीज आपको अच्छी लगती है जिसका एक मीनिंग होता है, उसके लिए हम यूज करते हैं वर्ड full. And when we lost the thing and we didn't have much space, we use the word less. As we can use the suffix full or less to form objective. When the suffix full is added to a word, it usually means with. When the suffix less is added to a word, it word usually means without. When we talk about a word, when we are adding the word to make a new word, we use the full. But when we talk about like earthworm are wonderful, it's a wonderful like a phrase, so that's why we add full. But when we talk about a few things, we use the word less, like he was careless and tripped. वो कुछ careless है and tripped है. Now this is the exercise, page number 36. We have to add the full or less at the end of the each sentence following the word. Right, and if there is no such word, the word to have been done for you, like use, useful. When we get full, it give a meaning useful. But when it will not be useful, ये आपको कोई फायदा नहीं देती है, कुछ जिससे आपको कोई benefit नहीं है, we use the word less, useless. Beauty, beautiful. ये word बनते हैं beautiful, ये phrase है, लेकिन beautyless कोई word नहीं है. So that's why it will be not in the less section, it will be in the beautiful full section. Now these are all about the next words. Okay, now next page is about the grammar page, a compound sentence. As I am telling you in the grammar section, which is all about the compound sentence, we know that a compound sentence is made of two sentences. We use the sentence together with connect such as and or but. As I told you in the first chapter, which is about the compound sentences, we make a complete sentence by adding the 2 simple sentences like such words and or but. जब आप किसी चीज को किसी सेंटेंस को मुकम्मल करने के लिए कुछ वर्ड्स का इस्तेमाल करते हो, उन वर्ड्स के यूज को हम कहते हैं कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस. Like they are giving you different words like and, or but. We have to complete this exercise. We use the word and when we talk about the two things like me and you. ठीक है? But when we talk about today or tomorrow, we use the word or. But when we talk about this thing is not possible, but हम ये कहेंगे ये चीज़ ऐसे हो सकती थी लेकिन नहीं हुई, तो इसके हम यूज करते हैं but को. We learn about the three things like and. When we talk about two things, we use and. When we talk about a comparison between two things, we use or. But when we talk about it will never be possible, we use the word but. This is the exercise. Now solving pages is like that. Okay. Now next page is about page number 38. Now this page is about the adverb of the place. The adverb of the place are those verbs. Remember, adverbs tells us more about words, action words. Adverb of place tells us where the action take place or where something is going. यानी किसी भी जगह पर या किसी भी पॉइंट पर किसी भी प्लेस के ऊपर वो वर्ड जहाँ पर हो रहा होता है उसे कहा जाता है adverb of the place. That means that the place or action which we are doing on that place is known as the adverb of the place. Few examples are given there. Like different pictures. At some big tunnel below the ground. Let's go inside for tea and cakes. My friends live there. Meena looked everywhere for her bag. Now they are giving you different words and you have to complete this rest of others examples. Fill in the blanks like indoor, outdoor, back, towards and upwards. Now these are the answers about this filling the blanks. You have to complete these all. Okay, now come on the next page, 39, which is about the long vowel OE sound. This page is about the vowel sound words. Means that when we read about the different sound words, we learn about the OW sound that is given in there, like OE sound, like bone, cord, hole, poke. As you notice that these are all the words have the two sounds like O and E. The combination of OE make a complete word like bone. Now you have to complete this page by giving the options there. You have to complete this page. Okay. Now this is your listening and the speaking pages. As you know that when you were in the school you will have to solve this, but now you are at your home, so that's why we are not able to solve these pages. But this page is about the sentences marked at the correct place and the right place. And this is the speaking conversation between the two characters like boy and a girl, which is about the animal. The next and the last page we'll read in this lesson about the concept full and less. We'll learn about the concept full and less. We use the full with the suffix and we use the letters less with the suffix. A compound sentence, we learn about the sentences, compound sentence and adverb the verb places. We learn in this chapter 4 things like full and less concept, compound sentences, with and without concepted, adverbs of the place, and last our topic is about the OE vowel sounds. Now you have to write down the long vowel OE sounds at this place. These are all about your chapter number 3 from the course book. Okay students, now these are all about your notebook task for the notebook. Okay, today our chapter is about the earth form. The first topic, the first activity is your dictation words. As I told you, these are all your dictation words like earth form, length, regrow, damage, harmless. Now, the next activity which is about word antonym. Word antonyms like opposite words, living, non-living. Opposite words, living means जिंदा रहने वाली, non-living, non-living. Top, bottom, below, ground and often. The next activity is about make sentences. Make sentences is about the first sentence is regrow. Plants can regrow. Regrow means रीग्रो दोबारा से प्लांट्स के पार्ट्स को डेवलप कर लेना. प्लांट्स की एबिलिटी होती है कि वो अपने प्लांट्स के पार्ट को दोबारा से रीग्रो कर सके. रीग्रो, प्लांट्स कैन रीग्रो. द अदर वर्ड्स आर गिवन देयर लाइक हार्मलेस, लिटिल, हेल्प एंड डिग. नाउ These are all about the sentences. The next activity is question answers. Answer these questions. Question answers is about where do you find earthworms? The answer is there. Next one, which part of body earthworms do not have? Answer is there. How are earthworms useful? Answer is here. Next one, how do earthworms improve the soil? The answer is here. The next activity, which is about the sound words like OE sounds, that are also given on your course books, and I am also giving here like OE sound words. Like bone, hole, can, home, code, stone, mole, walk, pole, zone. These are all about your notebook task. Okay student, I am assigning you some tasks that you have to complete all the book pages, course book pages and of the unit number 3 and also from the notebook. Okay, thank you so much students. Okay students, the homework task is learn plus solve book page number 34 to 39. As few of them I am solving there. Now this is a task again for you to solve these pages 34 to 39. The next one is learn chapter number 3 from notebook, as I told you in the pages. Okay, thank you so much students. This is the task for you. You have to complete this task in the